Again, the color scheme really matches the MacBook Air or MacBook Pen of calls. Before, you could not use this with like a Chromebook or a MacBook Air because you just don't. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to take a really quick look at a USB stereo audio adapter from Dyconn. And this adapter is plug and play, and it works with Windows and Mac. Basically Ultrabooks like ChromeBooks, stuff like that. PS3, PS4, and others. So anything you really want to have a USB input, with adding a microphone and headphone jack, this will work. So some scenarios are like your MacBook Air. If you didn't want to use the internal microphone on the MacBook Air, you can plug this in and hook up an external mic, have some better audio quality, and it gives you another headphone jack. So if you wanted to plug in headphones to this instead of the onboard headphone jack and like the MacBook Air, then you could do that. Quick look at the box. You can see the actual color scheme of this really does match the Mac series. This would look really good in a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. Not a whole lot on the box except it is aluminum. Of course, it's 3.5mm stereo headset and microphone jack, and high quality audio in and out. 48 kilohertz, 44.1 kilohertz sampling rate with 16-bit resolution, and that's everything else we pretty much covered. So let's go ahead and open it up. See what you get in the box, and pretty standard stuff. You do get a little adapter here, kind of like a USB extender. If you needed to extend it out a little bit, so you get that. That's kind of a nice little thing to throw in there. And then the actual device itself, which is really stuck in the packaging here. Try not to destroy it getting it out. Okay, there we go. And there you can see just pretty much your standard headphone and microphone ports there. Again, the color scheme really matches the MacBook Air or MacBook Pro line. Just standard USB. So I'm going to pause the video. You can see the little Dyconn branding there. So I'm going to pause this video, I'm going to hook this up and take a quick look at its features. You do also get a little instruction manual. So we'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, welcome back. And I know I had mentioned earlier that it was Google Chrome, like a Chromebook, and so I actually plugged this into a Google Chromebook, and it is, as indeed I mentioned, plug and play compatible with Google Chrome. I just did a Hangout call with this plugged in, and let's take a look at what we've done here. So I've got the Dyconn adapter plugged into a USB port on my Chromebook. And as you can see, I do have a audio and microphone jack plugged into this. Now, what is this leading to? Let me bring that into the picture here. So it's leading to a nice little headphone jack here. This is a headphone microphone combination, so I can do calls, Skype calls, Google Hangouts, whatever. So I actually have the audio, in the ear, and then the microphone right up close. So this was a very nice little headset to use for those kind of calls. Before, you could not use this with like a Chromebook or a MacBook Air because you just don't have a microphone jack that you can plug into. So this will enable you to do these kind of things with systems that really weren't really designed to do that. So this is a very nice little feature. If you come across an Ultrabook or something that's a little too small and you need, like I said, an extender, you simply can just extend this out simply like this. So I will unplug this, demonstrate. We will plug it in to the extender, and we will plug that into the USB. If I can get it the right side. There we go. And now you've got just an extension out here, so you can still rock this in case your space is pretty tight. So that's a nice little addition. So anyway, guys, check the show notes for a link for this. It's not very expensive, and it is very handy for stuff exactly like this. Like I said, this will allow you to do Skype calls, Hangout calls, and stuff like that with a lot more clarity, especially if you've got an external mic like this. Just improves those kind of call and communication endeavors tenfold if you've got an external mic that's like really good quality and up by your mouth. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and a subscription to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching. Have a good one.